naman is liability method versus income method. Normally, ito ginagamit pag kunwari is nag-advance yung customers mo sa'yo. So, kunwari, nag-advance sila ng rent. Usually, pag liability method, we are using cash for debit and credit is unearned rent. But usually people use the income method, which is cash and rent income. If you're going to see we use the liability method, we are using the liability account. Liability method, we are using a real account. Since liability is a real account, so this one is a real account. What will you do at the end of the period if you're going to use the liability account? You're going to focus on the earned portion. So you're going to debit unearned rent, and you're going to credit the earned portion, which is the focus of this method. So for example, you have 12,000 12,000 that the customer gave you for your the rent, and they started occupying the space on October. So October, November, December, three months were used. So you're going to multiply it by 3 over 12. So that would be 3. Okay. I'm just going to put down the amounts. 12K, 12K, 3K, 3K. If you're going to see, we really focused on the earned months. Okay. Whereas in income method, cash, we're going to start with cash and rent income, which is an income, which is a nominal account. Since we started with a nominal account or a rent income, we're going to focus on the portion that is not earned. If here we focused in computing the earned portion, here we're going to focus in the unearned portion. So we're going to write it down as rent income in the debit side and also unearned rent in the credit side. So if you're going to see, we just like this, we have 12,000 on the beginning of the year. We received 12,000 cash for the rent. We used the income method. We credited rent income. So we are going to focus on unearned. So if we're going to focus on unearned, we're going to use 12K times how many months that were unearned. So the earned is 3. So 12 minus 3, that would be 9. So we're going to focus on unearned. What is unearned? So this, we're going to focus there. So it would be 9K. If we're going to make a journal entry, this should be 9K. This should be 9K. So if you're going to see the adjustment entries of both this and this, okay, they are different. But sometimes people are confused with those two. So yes, that's the liability method and income method. You really need to know this basics to answer questions such as what's the reversing entry, what will you what's the journal entry on this particular problem. Okay, so yeah, I'm speaking English because I'm more comfortable, okay, with using it. So let's go to the next part on my next video. Okay.